at the church after a rather huge snowstorm.
0 feet altitude, 8 feet distance, 8 miles per hour.
Over 2 feet of snow out here in God's country. So I'm going to make a run over by Amazon because it should be interesting. Let me get my focus. What they do with all the snow. They got all that heavy equipment over there. And I'm sure that they've been clearing snow. So let's go see. And away we go.
299 feet altitude, 76 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 96% battery.
Everything is gray, black and white, grayscale when it's like this. No color. You see any color? There's no color. Hard to get good light balance because the damn sun is setting already. Sunset today, 4:22, and right now it's 4:05. It's the first time. Excuse me.
1,607 feet distance, 19 miles per hour, 92% battery.
And the bitch stops talking, I'll talk. This is the first time I've flown in about 5 days. Because as you can see, we obviously had a pretty good storm. It snowed, I think the weatherman said 40 hours straight. And we got where we are here. I mean, over 2.5 feet of snow. It was, I had to snowblow like 3 times, but there's certain spots that I had to do where the snow was completely over my snowblower, which is 24 inches. And so I'd have to say we had at least 28 to 30 inches here. Lots of sound is traveling today. I'm hearing weird sounds from over
300 feet altitude,
over on
3,190 feet distance,
Route 9 over there.
miles per hour, 88%
9 and 20.
battery.
Yeah, it doesn't look like they're getting anything done in this shit. I don't see anything new. It's to be expected. I mean, what are you going to do? There's over 2 feet of snow on the ground.
$299 feet altitude.
Some tire tracks.
4,523 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 84% battery.
Probably cleared some snow. They got the equipment to do it over there. For sure. It's cold out. Yeah, peckerwood up in the woods. Woodpecker. Or peckerwood. Good battery, 78%. Flying for 5 minutes. Yeah, not much to look at. I am going to get one time-lapse picture, my still. I've got about almost 60 of them now that I got on my Facebook page, Hudson Valley Drone Flights, if anybody cares, wants to see them.
75% battery.
I don't put any personal stuff on that. It's strictly just drone pictures. And go and deal with people likes and people complaining about everything, bragging about their kids. I hate Facebook. But it's just an easy place to store the pictures. Oh boy, this picnic tables are all blasted with snow out here.
4,179 feet distance, 21 miles per hour, 71% battery.
When I get back, I'll fly a little low on the ground, be able to see all the mess. So I got one more orbit, and then it'll back itself into the position to get the still. But this is not an exciting flight at all. Nothing to look at, but just a little chunk of history.
Feet altitude, 4,503 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 67% battery.
My GF BFF is texting me. Oh, I had a hell of a time during the storm with my snowblower, because you put it away and you think everything's fine. Like, I wasn't aware of a certain issue that was up with it when my son used it last, but apparently he had tore one of the bolts out that holds the handle to the engine mount, or the chassis there. So I'm basically running the damn thing and it's friggin' falling apart. It messed up the linkage, then the wheels stopped spinning, so I had to like stop what I was doing. But for a grand total of $1.78, I fully repaired it.
3,634 feet distance.
Went over to the tractor supply store, got me some new bolts. And they bolt in a weird way, so I bolted them in. And then, let's see, I'm going to be going in the position to take this still shot in a minute. So you got to watch for that. Spent half the day. I actually had to dig my girlfriend's car out because my son was gone, to get to the store to go buy the bolts. It was around, I don't know, I started at 5 o'clock in the morning helping my son get out. He had to be to work by 7. So the snowblower was all right then it started to mess up. So wasn't too long, it pretty much broke down on me. And spent the other half of the day standing in the fucking snow in front of my house fixing the damn thing. It took me about 4 hours and I got it running like brand new.
60% battery.
It's running as good. It was running as good as it was the day I brought it home. So I'm happy with that. All right. Now what I'm looking at. I was just in position for my still. I think I got it. I'm going to stick with it. I'm happy with that. Should try to come home now, I think. It's going to go around one more time.
299 feet altitude, 5,031 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 56% battery.
Boy, the sound really travels with all this snow on the ground. I'm about 3 or 4 miles away from the train tracks over there, Castleton on Hudson. And you can hear it like I'm standing right next to it. I can hear the engine. It's going to come back over the Route 9 way. I changed that. Before it was going up 150. As I said, pretty uneventful flight. As long as I don't get attacked by a hawk, I'm happy.
299 feet altitude, 4,081 feet distance, 19 miles per hour, 51% battery.
It's coming back. It's starting to get dark quick. Turn up the light a little. Yeah, it's definitely a winter fucking wonderland down there.
.299 feet altitude, 2,760 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 46% battery.
It's probably, they don't, on the news, they don't give you an estimate of how much snow we got here, because it's Skodak, it's in the foothills, it's like 10 miles south of Albany, but Albany got 22 inches at the airport, and I don't know, nobody lives at the airport as far as I know. But they didn't give any measurements for out here, but from what I could tell, I mean, at least 30 inches. It was a mess. Right across the street
300
right now.
feet altitude, 882 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 42% battery.
14 minutes so far. 42% battery. It's kind of killing it. And I might as well take over here.
Mission ended.
Head up the road a little bit. There's no wind, so I'm a happy camper. Is that a tree in the road?
290 feet altitude.
Oh, it's a branch hanging.
436 feet distance.
It looked like from that, it looked like it was a tree laying in the road.
Battery.
There's a little color. You can see the yellow house. This is where I start to get out of range.
$291 feet altitude, 1,626 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 31% battery.
Out in the wilderness. Oh, I forgot to set the fucking low battery warning. That's so annoying. Shit. Guess I can't set that in flight. I keep it at 15% because 30% is completely unnecessary. So now I'm going to have to end. I can't keep it off the audio, so we got to deal with it. It's fucking annoying as hell.
291 feet altitude, 1,172 feet distance, 32 miles per hour, 26% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Should see it any second. Here he is. Where you going, bud?
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
Get down a little closer to the ground. Give you an idea about the snow here.
2 feet altitude, 42 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 21% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow. There's me. Just show you the picnic table.
Aircraft battery at 18%.
See, I ain't lying. We got some snow. That's the rock.
3 feet altitude, 16 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 16% battery.
Yep, there's your winter wonderland.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%.
Time to bring the little guy down. Yeah, very nice flight. Very boring flight. Almost a 20-minute flight, though. Yeah, quite boring.
Warning, aircraft battery at 13%.
So, now you see all the snow we got here. It sucks. And I'm getting chilly, and I'm done. D-Dub out.